Today, I'm going to teach you how to turn off waiting rooms in Zoom meetings. This feature gives you more control over how participants join your sessions, allowing for a smoother, more immediate entry experience when you don't need the extra screening layer. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoom.eos. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Zoom account dashboard. This is where you'll find all the administrative controls for customizing your meeting experience. After logging in, direct your attention to the left panel of your screen. Here you'll see various menu options for managing your account. Click on My Account to access your account overview. From there, you'll want to click on Settings, which will take you to the configuration area where you can adjust how your Zoom meetings operate. Now you'll see the Meeting tab at the top of the page. Click on it to reveal meeting-specific settings. On the left sidebar, you'll notice different categories of meeting options. Look for and click on Security. This section houses all the security-related features for your Zoom meetings, including the waiting room functionality. In the security settings, scroll through until you locate Enable Waiting Room. You'll see a toggle button next to this option. Click on this button to disable the waiting room feature. When participants join your meetings, they'll now enter directly instead of being held in a virtual lobby first. After clicking the toggle, take a moment to verify that the change has been properly applied. The toggle should remain off, appearing gray rather than blue. This visual confirmation ensures that the waiting room has been successfully disabled for your meetings. If the toggle is gray, you're all set and the changes are active. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the waiting room feature in your Zoom meetings, streamlining the entry process for your participants. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.